Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at AUD USD for this week. Now, before I go ahead, now to those of you that have literally reached out that you would love to join the Patreon channel, we are now offering a 40% discount. As you guys have literally said, you need a discount. So we are now offering this discount for you guys. Note that this discount will only last for 2 days. So we are opening this discount for like 2 days. So you have to go there, you subscribe. So once you subscribe, you'll be getting high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. So that is what we'll be sharing there. When you go to this our channel, once you open the channel, you will see one of those trades we took last week. Gold gave us about 200 plus pips. An amazing trade we had on gold last week. So this week we'll be looking at more trade. One of those trades we'll be looking at also will be AUD USD if we can get a good opportunity on it. So more trade will be shared on the Patreon channel. 40% discount is being offered. The link will be in the comment section. Now back to my analysis. As you can see on this AUD USD, you can see that this is literally a key level. Price eventually, came to the same level and it dropped, right? Then we saw price came to the same level again. What do we expect price to do? In the long run, we will see this AUD USD drop. So guess what we are aiming for? We are aiming for this level. So we will see AUD USD drop to these lows. So it will look like something like an double top. You all know that's double top, right? Something like price or something like an M movement, double top or M movement, something like impulse move. This is a drop, right? We can see another movement to the upside, and now we'll be expecting another drop downward. So that is what I'm saying in the long run. So it will be dropping. So if you are a swing trader, I mean, you go ahead and take your position and you decide to take your profit, that will be about 260 pips, close to 300 pips. So probably in 3 weeks time, 3 week, let's maximum of 3 weeks, let's say 2 to 3 weeks time, we should be able to hit this low. So if you are a swing trader, this would be a good opportunity for you to go ahead, enter and hold your trade. If you are a day trader, just look for an entry point, exit point, and every other thing. So for this week that we are aiming for, we are still expecting more movement to the downside on AUD USD. So that is what I am watching out for. So be careful if there's going to be any change of structure. There might be a change in structure. If there's going to be, I'm going to give you guys an update. That is why I want you to subscribe to the Patreon channel so you can get it. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, do that. Once again, the promo will only last for 2 days. So you can now sign up. The link will be in the comment section.